In today's class, we will talk about Etherchannel. Why we use Etherchannel? Basically, the requirement of Etherchannel is to provide you the link aggregation, like port bundling. If we talk about multiple switches and we connect them together via trunk link, the redundant link is blocked actually. The second link will be blocked due to the spanning tree. Spanning tree is running in the switch. That's why the purpose of spanning tree is to detect the loop. If it find any loop, it will be blocking the alternate link. So that's why we will be able to use only one link, and the link will not be available. So to overcome this problem, we can do link aggregation. We can configure Etherchannel. With the help of Etherchannel, we can enable both the links which will be working together. So this will also speed up the network. If we see in the first switch, we use here enable show spanning tree. See, alternate port is block, gig 2 is block. So if we configure port channel, this will be also up. So to configure the port channel, go to the switch configuration mode, interface range gig 0/1-2. So what we do, we create a channel for this purpose. We say this port first access, switch port mode access, then we create the channel group. Channel group, we can define any number, like 1 to 48 is there. It's locally significant. It may be same in the remote switch, it may be different, doesn't matter. Channel group 1, mode. As we are using a Cisco switches, so that's why we will be using basically desirable. Desirable is going to configure a PHEP, port aggregation protocol, mode desirable. Then this port channel is created. Then we can say here exit, interface port channel 1, then switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, and switch port mode trunk. Now this port is configured. We'll go to the remote switch. Also in the remote we will be configuring auto, so that one switch is desirable and the switch is auto. So this will be configuring PHEP in my switch. Okay, go to second switch again. Similarly, CLI, disable auto configuration, go to privilege mode, go to configuration mode, interface range gig 0/1-2, switch port mode access. Okay, then here we have to create channel group. Channel group, any number, it may be same, it may be different, doesn't matter. Channel group 1, mode auto, then exit, interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk. Okay, after configuring this trunk, you see this link is down again, so it is negotiating. Just let's see what is happening. Control Z, show spanning tree. See this saying port channel 1 learning state. Again it will go through spanning tree, and the spanning tree will see these both the gig port as a port channel. That side is not going to block the gig port, because this spanning tree treat this both the separate gig link as a one port channel. If you see now again show spanning tree, this is forwarding, and also the cost is reduced, because the before gig link cost was 4, but port channel cost is 3 here. Go to another switch also, show spanning tree. This is still in blocking state. Have to see show spanning tree. Still blocking state, interface, port config T, interface, port channel 1. Okay, switch port mode, trunk. Show spanning tree. Still in blocking, just we'll write and reload it, this switch again. We'll see why it is down. It should come up also because we have configured trunk as well. Show spanning tree. Now it is in listening state. Learning state. It is a forwarding state. See, now both the links are up into the this Etherchannel. It is used more widely in the production network for the link redundancy and to speed up the network. That's it for the session. Next session we will see in the another class, maybe the port security. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.